Hello, Miss Safi. My name is Anggita Ratana, and then today I want to tell you about oil. Okay, the first definition. Definition oil. Oil is a plant-derived fat that remains liquid at room temperature. It can be obtained from soybean, sunflower, corn, linseed, palm, coconut, olive, peanut, canola, and many other plants. Oil are made up of a mixture of triglycerides containing fatty acids of various lengths and composition. They are free from animal cholesterol except two sources from palm and coconut. Oil are generally low in saturated fat and high in mono and polyunsaturated fat. And then next, the function of oil in baking. Oil can help with texture improvement, moisturize retention, flour carriers, shelf life extension, and then the last, lubrication. And the next type of oil, the first, olive oil. Olive oil is oil derived from olive, Olea europaea, in a traditional tree from the Mediterranean basin. Olive oil comes from olive tree that grow slowly, have wrinkle, stem, and slim gray with cricket branch. Olive tree can grow up to 50 meters in their natural habitat and live for more than 500 years. This fruit has a fat round shape with a green color when raw and turn yellow when it starts cooking. Oil can be used from cooking, cosmetic, herbal medicine, and soap, and also as fuel for oil lamps. The benefits of olive oil are very many for health because they contain high unsaturated fat. And then here are some health benefits of olive oil. The first, lowering cholesterol, and then the second, reducing the risk of heart disease, and the next, control blood pressure, and then prevent cancer, and then prevent obesity. Type and tips for selecting olive oil. Based on the extraction process and its acidity, olive oil is grouped into several types. The first, extra virgin olive oil, and then the second, virgin olive oil, and then third, fino, for pure, and then for the last, light. And then the second, palm oil. Palm oil is a vegetable oil obtained from the fruit palm tree, mesocarp, generally from the species Elaeis guineensis and Ataella maripa. Palm oil is naturally red because of its high alpha and beta carotenoid content. Palm oil is also different from coconut oil produced from the core of the coconut fruit or Cocos nucifera. The difference is in color. Palm kernel oil does not have carotenoid, so it is not red. And then this oil palm plantation has caused the loss of orangutan habitat in Indonesia, which is endangered species in 2004. And then benefit of palm oil for body health. The first, maintain a health, prevent cancer, boosts immunity, prevent brain disease, prevent stroke, and then for the last, good for pregnant women. And then third, coconut oil. Coconut oil is which is made from fresh coconut raw material. The oil or kernel is taken, processed with controlled heating or without heating at all, without chemical. Pure coconut oil with the main content of lauric acid has antibiotic, antibacterial, and fungal properties. Coconut oil is a modification of the process of making coconut oil so that products with low water content and level of free fatty acid are low, clear, fragrant, and have a longer shelf life that is more from 12 months. And then 4, soybean. Soybean is a species of legume native for East Asia, widely grown for its edible beans, which has numerous uses. Traditional unfermented food use of soybean includes soy milk, from which tofu and tofu skin. Soy vegetable oil used in food and industrial application is another product of processing soybean crop. And then soybean contains significant amounts of phytic acid, dietary minerals, and B vitamin. Vegetable types cook more easily, have a mild, nutty flavor, better texture, are large in size, higher in protein, and low in oil than felt type. Tofu, soy milk, and soy sauce are among the top edible commodities made using soybean. Soybean has been benefit for soybean oil, soybean meals, food like tempe and then tahu, flour and milk. And then 5, corn oil or maize oil. So is extracted from the germ of corn. Its main use is in cooking, where its high smoke point makes refined corn oil and valuable frying oil. It is also a key ingredient in some margarine. Corn oil is generally less expensive than most other type of vegetable oil. Corn oil is also a feedstock used for biodiesel. Other industrial use for corn oil include soap, self-paint eraser, rust proofing for milk. It is sometimes used as a carrier from drug molecules in pharmaceutical preparation. And the next, canola. Canola oil is a vegetable oil derived from a variety of rapeseed that is low in aromatic acid as opposed to colza oil. There are both edible and industrial forms produced from the seed of any of several cultivars of the plant family Brassicaceae, namely cultivar of Brassica nepus, Brassia rapa subs oleifera, or Brassia juncea. Canola oil is a key ingredient in many food. Its reputation as a healthy oil has created high demand in markets around the world. And overall, it is the third most widely consumed vegetable oil after soybean oil and palm oil. The oil has many not-food use and like soybean oil, is often used interchangeably with non-renewable petroleum. Canola vegetable oil, certified as organic, required to be from non-GMO rapeseed. And then mineral oil is a various colorless, odorless, like mixture of higher alkanes from a mineral sources, particularly distillate of petroleum as distinct from usually edible vegetable oil. The name mineral oil by itself is impressive, having been used for many specific oils over the past few centuries. Other names similarly impressive include white oil, paraffin oil, liquid paraffin, a highly refined medical grade, paraffinum liquidum Latin, and then liquid petroleum. Baby oil is a refined mineral oil. Most often mineral oil is a liquid byproduct of refining crude oil to make gasoline and other petroleum products. And the next, sunflower. Sunflower oil is the non-volatile oil pressed from the seed of sunflower. Sunflower oil is commonly used in food as a frying oil, and in cosmetic formulation as a emollient. The world total product of sunflower oil in 2014 was nearly 16 million tons, with Ukraine and Russia as the largest producer sunflower. Through selective breeding and manufacturing process, oil of differing proportion of the fatty acid are produced. Several varieties of sunflower oil seed have been developed by standard plant breeding methods, mainly to vary the amount of oleic acid and linoleic acid, which respectively are the predominant monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats in sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is a rich source of vitamin A. And then for the last, peanut oil, also known as a groundnut oil or Arachis oil, is a vegetable oil derived from peanuts. The oil has a strong peanut flavor and aroma. It is often used in America, Chinese, South Asian, and Southeast Asian cuisine, both for general cooking and in the case of roasted oil for added flavor. Due to war shortage of other oil, use of readily available peanut oil increased in the United States during World War II. Peanut oil, as with other vegetable oil, can be used to make soap by the process of saponification, peanut oil is safe for use as message oil. Its major component fatty acids are oleic acid 46.8% as olein, linoleic acid 33.4% as linolene, and then palmitic acid 10% as palmitin. Then oil also contains some citric acid, arabic acid, benedict acid, lignoceric acid, and other fatty acid. And then health issue for toxin and then allergy. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.